Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the car safe. Park level, set parking, and disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent faults with the adaptive lighting. Once done, remove the engine cover and any plastic headlight access caps behind the lamp. Use a Torx or 10mm socket to remove visible screws. Do not waste time. Get straight to the retention points. You'll be working through the engine bay opening to reach the headlight assembly or bulb cover. Keep parts organized as you loosen fasteners. Now focus on detaching the lamp or bulb. Unplug the wiring harness and peel back the rubber dust cap. If replacing the bulb, depress the retaining spring and carefully withdraw the old bulb. Avoid touching the glass. For full lamp removal, locate and remove the 3 mounting bolts, one often behind the wheel arch. Once they are out, support the lamp and pull straight out. If a lower screw blocks you, remove the wheel arch liner. Doing so gives the needed clearance and prevents damage when extracting the assembly. Finish by installing the replacement bulb or reseating the lamp. Handle the bulb by its base, secure the retaining clip, and replace the dust cap to keep moisture out. Refit all mounting bolts and liners, torque snug, then reconnect the battery. Switch on lights and check beam pattern and adaptive functions. Make sure aim looks correct and there are no dash errors. If you see a lamp fault or flicker, double-check the connector and ground. Try swapping bulbs to isolate a bad unit and inspect fuses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.